lake, yes. I believe we're going to try to find it, yes. It only comes when it rains, and it has been raining. It should be a lake now. It's incredible, all salt comes to the surface. And you walk on it, it looks firm, and the surface breaks up to your knee, and you can't get out. I did that once.
We're here at OffRoad-Zone. We're in Liwa with 30 vehicles. We've led a big team in. We're going to enjoy the desert. Right now we're at a water lake, and we're going to find a campsite soon and then do some driving. So OffRoad-Zone, as you know, we fix cars, we modify cars, we rent cars, and we're into adventure. And we have the best Jeeps in Dubai, and what we do is this kind of stuff. This is a standard Jeep where we've lifted with some nice wheels, tires, and we also have superchargers for it. We're doing 6-inch lift on these and branding it, and this is half the price of a Raptor. It actually has a better clearance than the Raptor. So we do desert adventures, so if you don't have your own Jeep, we have these set up on tours. We have 5 or 6 cars in convoy. Even if you're a beginner, we take you in with walkie-talkies, fully kitted, and you could enjoy the view and have a great time. Thank you, and talk to you soon.
Do we need to dig or pull?
How did you deflate to what?
I think around 12.
Okay, I think we can push. Yeah. Reverse.
There was another car going very slowly here.
Yeah, man.
And he went round the side. Usually you should just stay on the track. If there's a track, you stay on the track.
Yeah.
But he didn't, he went round the side. And the sand is very soft around the side. And he wasn't going fast enough, so he got stuck.
I'm going for low.
No.
For the power.
For high.
For high.
Should take out, but ready?
That's it.
Okay. Yeah, basically it's very difficult. The two cars are almost on flat ground. So we'll push him out. And the sand is very soft here, extremely soft, so it's very difficult being flat. But we managed it. Group of people.
This is our first trip with OffRoad-Zone, actually our first trip in the desert as well, so we've been stuck about 12 times. But the guys here have been very helpful. Everyone's mucked in and got us out of trouble, so it's great friendly atmosphere.
First trip with OffRoad-Zone. How I heard about this trip was I've done business with this company quite a few times, so I got the invite. Nothing too difficult, very nice sightseeing here in this part of the desert. Fortunately, no stuck for me.
We've been doing the off-road trips for the last 3 years, and we've met some really awesome people and made some really good friends.
To be honest, this was one of our New Year's resolutions to do a lot more of these off-road-zone trips, and this is our first one this year, and we hope to do it like at least once a month.
It was always one dream to buy a kind of car like this, and we did finally in October, and we bought from OffRoad-Zone. We got stuck twice. but we managed to get out, which is what counts. So we wanted to try. We think it's a good experience, so we think we'll continue and try another time.
It's the first time we joined this camping trip organized by you. The drive here was already a bit of an experience. I think especially the last bit was quite challenging and we got stuck, so yeah, so far so good. Really enjoying the trip.
Actually a fantastic trip, so far at least. We didn't get stuck so far, but it's a very family-friendly trip, isn't it? It's a very safe environment and you feel like everybody is taking care of you.
We are enjoying our time, definitely. This is our first time with the Off-Road-Zone. We've been to the desert before, but not with these guys. So far it's been very nice, we're very happy. They have fixed my car. I've upgraded my car, it's a 2010 Jeep, and I'm very happy with the performance. So yeah, we're very happy, and thank you Off-Road-Zone for this opportunity.
Every month we organize this trip, so you can find on Facebook, on internet, on our website, pass to our garage, and so we are really glad to talk to you, to explain about the parts, the modification, and of course the trips. Thank you.